Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Vizio soundbar. To perform a hard reset on a Vizio soundbar, there are some steps to follow. First of all, you have to ensure that your soundbar is powered off. You can do this by pressing the power button on the soundbar or using the remote control. After that, you have to unplug the power cord from the back of the soundbar and then you have to wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to allow any residual power to dissipate. Depending on the model of your Vizio soundbar, there are generally two methods to perform the hard reset. In the first method, you have to press and hold the Bluetooth and the volume down button simultaneously on the soundbar for about 10 seconds. After that, you have to release the button when the LED indicator on the soundbar start flashing. And in the second method, you have to press and hold the Bluetooth and the volume down button simultaneously on the remote control for about 10 seconds, and then you have to release the button when the LED indicator on the soundbar start flashing. Then you have to allow the soundbar for few minutes to complete the reset process. The LED light may indicate different pattern during this time. After the reset is complete, plug the power cord back to the soundbar and power it on. You may need to reconfigure settings such as audio input sources, EQ setting, or reconnect Bluetooth devices. Hopefully this video will help you to hard reset your Vizio soundbar. Thanks for watching.